Hey, welcome back. I'm just heading to a rental right now, trying to do some preventative maintenance for wintertime. Beautiful day out, it's like 65. Loving it. For this time of year in Pennsylvania, you couldn't ask for much more. So a lot of times everybody talks about getting frost-free spigots for your outside spigot, and they say they don't crack. So my experience, I'm like 50-50. I've had a few crack even though they were drained out, and they're 40 bucks. Let's be real here, like $30-$40. Is it really worth that money? Not really. So what I do, put on a regular spigot, and they make these spigot covers. They're basically like a foam, and then they have a hard plastic over it, and that's going to prevent, not saying it's 100% foolproof, but they're only $4. They cover the spigot after you drain it out, after you drain your hose out, and that's going to keep it from doing a deep freeze and potentially cracking your spigot. So I'm headed to a house now. I'll show you how easy it is. You just put it on, pull a string, and you're done. So instead of spending $30-$40, you're spending $5, $4, whatever it is. So heading there now. Time to enjoy this beautiful day. So this is the product I was telling you about. All it does, it wraps around the spigot, and then you have this draw cord. Press down the button. It's hard doing it by yourself, of course. Press this in against the wall, and you're all good for winter. The foam insulation seals tight around here, and you don't have to worry about it breaking.